If you are building a Canton Network application, start with this quick start. It is a template for an application that provides a simulated Global Synchronizer, a build environment to kickstart development, and a sample application that you can use to evolve into your own application. The first step is to clone the Git repo to a location where you want to save the quick start project and ensure that all prerequisites are complete. In JFrog, follow the steps to generate an identity token. Ensure that you do not close the token modal until you have successfully added the details to the GlobalNet C file. Make sure to add the tilde character so it references the file in your home directory. Where the GlobalNet C file indicates password, that is where you will insert the generated reference token. Once confirmed, you will also want to manually set the permissions and check for Artifactory connectivity. An OK response indicates a successful connection. If you receive a 401 or 403 error, revisit your GlobalNet C file to ensure the token details match those in JFrog and that it is located in the root directory. cd into the cn quickstart folder and ensure v allow has been activated to initiate Nix. We are set up. Now let's run the Docker desktop. Hop into the Quickstart subdirectory and install the DAML SDK. In a few minutes, run make setup to set up the local environment configuration. Disable observability, but enable OAuth 2. Leave the party hint blank and disable test mode. This can always be changed later. If you encounter issues, double-check to ensure your computer has sufficient memory and that at least 8 GB is allocated for Docker. Now run make build to build the application. Before starting the containers, enable the collection of logs into a single directory named log using the command make capture logs. Then open another shell window to complete the process with the command make start. Once complete, you may open the application in any browser. To test that everything is working, we'll start a Canton console and the DAML shell both in their own separate shells. A summary of these steps can be found at the FastPath installation page. And there you have it. You have completed the installation of the Canton Network Quickstart.